Gingerbread is an incredibly popular and delicious dessert, especially during the holidays. It is a great way to celebrate the season and get into the spirit of things. Gingerbread is also a very versatile food. It can be eaten as a dessert, snack, or even breakfast. No matter when or how you eat it, gingerbread is sure to inspire happiness and good cheer. Cooking with friends can be a great way to bond and have fun. It is a great way to bond with friends and to create delicious food together. Cooking together can also be a great way to learn new recipes and cooking techniques. When you cook with friends, you can have a lot of fun and enjoy great food at the same time. When you dip a piece of fruit or a cake into the melted chocolate, it's like you're taking a bite out of heaven. The chocolate is so smooth and creamy, and it melts in your mouth. It's the perfect way to end a meal, or to celebrate a special occasion. Chocolate fondue is definitely a treat that you'll love.